And good luck, Spectra Bird, 47.99. Dice roll. 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Panthers up top. The Patriots at the bottom. Seven times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ronald up top. Vito at the bottom. Let's sort them out. They all sorted. There's your squad. Spectra Bird, 47.99. Good luck. Here we go. That's a good question, Brett. I don't know off the top of my head. Again, I do not know off the top of my head when it comes out. I'll have to look into it. If I figure it out, I'll let you know. And good luck, Spectra. Love this product. We've had a lot of bangers out of Spectra. Let's do it. Empty box, 4 packs, 16 cards. And good luck. 8 hits. Nice start here. The Seahawks. Kenneth Walker on the rookie Spectrus. Going to Josh Quaid. Rookie Spectrus K9. 84 out of 99 for the Seahawks. Next up, 35 out of 35. Last on the print. Rising Rookie Duel of Kenneth Walker III for Seattle. Another nice one there for the Seahawks on the K9. Dallas Clark, 51 out of 99 champion signatures. Going to Ryan Chapman in the Colts. There you go, Chapman. Dallas Clark to 99 champion signatures on card auto. And George Kittle, 1 out of 4 for the 49ers. Super short print going to Tom Haggerty. Nice card there, Tom. 1 out of 4. Only 4 of those. And you've got 1. Pack 2. Starting off, we've got Kevin Harris. On the silver rookie for New England. Kevin Harris on the rook. 89 out of 99, Malik Willis on the patch. Next era, Tennessee Titans and Tim Utska on the Malik. 2 out of 125, Drake London on the RPA. Going to Tristan Hirashi. I spelled your name wrong, Tristan. I'll make sure to fix that. Drake London on the RPA for Tristan Hirashi. 2 out of 125. Desmond Ridder, another one for the Falcons. Atlanta back on the board. 31 out of 75 for Tristan. Pack 3. First up, Treylon Burks on the silver. Go to the Titans and Tim Utska. You got 85 out of 99, Eli Mitchell. Max Impact for the Niners. And Tom Haggerty. 8 out of 60, Jerome Ford on the autograph for the Brownies. And Tom Haggerty. Tom doing work. Jerome Ford to 60 on the autograph. And Kyle Pitts. 26 out of 99, Atlanta. Tristan back on the board again. Third card for Tristan and the Falcons. Last pack of Spectra. Got Mike Evans for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers on the silver. /99, Dalvin Cook. Catalysts going to Jeremy Vardaman and the Vikings. Another one here for the Brownies, 97/99, David Bell on the RPA. Going to Tom Haggerty in Cleveland. And on the die cut, little color match, green die cut, Jalen Hurts, Eagles, and Brett Carman. That is 3 out of 30 on the Hurts die cut. Recap it. Spectra Bird in the books. We got Hurts to 30, David Bell, Dalvin Cook, Mike Evans, Kyle Pitts, Jerome Ford, Eli Mitchell, Treylon Burks, Desmond Ridder, Drake London on the RPA, Malik, Kevin Harris, George Kittle to 4, Dallas Clark on the ink, K9 and K9. Spectra Bird in the books. Appreciate the fill, guys. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.